All right, so we're going to do the exact same example. I have a hypothesis. My null hypothesis is that P null is equal to 0.75. My alternative hypothesis is that it is greater than 75%. Yes? And I observe that 85 out of 100, or 85%, are greater. So my proportion is 85. So how do I do this on the calculator? Well, I've got one proportion. For proportions, I use the z-table, and it's not an interval, it's a test. So this is 1 prop z test. That's the shorthand on the calculator. I will come on in, take a look. Stat tests, 1 prop z test, number 5. I put in P null. P null. What is the base? In this case, 0.75 is the proportion, I believe. You can see this is a little fishy. We have to enter in actual numbers. So if you're given a proportion, you're going to have to calculate these. I had to do 85 out of 100. So 85 observations pass, and 100, n is 100. Now in this case, I have a number of options. We'll discuss these later, but for now, I'm doing p greater than 0. Or excuse me, is the sample greater than the null hypothesis? And now I will hit calculate. Okay? It tells me the z-score of 85% is 2.31 or 2.309. The p-value is 0.01. The sample proportion is 85%, and n is 100. Now, if you take a look from our prior calculation when we did it by hand, you can see we have the exact same z-score, and we have the exact same p-value. All right, so that is the calculator shortcut for finding these values.